In the charming little town of Maple Hollow, where syrup poured like rivers, and even the birds chirped in pancake rhythms, excitement was bubbling like butter on a hot pan. Today wasn't just any day. It was Pancake Day, a day of laughter, food, and one legendary competition, the Great Pancake Stack-Off. Every year, families, friends, and foodies from all around gathered in the town square to build the tallest, wackiest, most creative pancake tower. And in the middle of all the excitement were four best friends, Maybelline, the team's brainy builder who loved blueprints, problem-solving, and always carried a backpack full of gadgets and a purple notebook titled Maybelline's Marvelous Ideas. Jasper, the pancake pro who could flip flapjacks behind his back and had dreams of opening the world's first flying pancake restaurant. Yvette, the colorful artist who saw every pancake as a blank canvas. She painted with strawberry jam, mango syrup, kiwi slices, and sprinkles. Jane, the wild inventor with big dreams and bigger ideas. Once, she tried to build a pancake-powered hoverboard using balloons and maple syrup jets. They called themselves the Brainy Bunch, and this year, they were determined to win the Pancake Stack-Off Trophy, a golden spatula with a crown. The town square buzzed with the scent of cinnamon and sizzle. Jasper got to work, flipping flapjacks high into the air. Swoosh! Flop! Sizzle! He built a tower 20 pancakes high, soft and round and golden brown. But then, a gust of wind danced through the square. The pancakes wobbled. The tower leaned. Crash! Sploosh! Oh no! Jasper cried. I used the fluffiest pancakes ever. They were perfect. Maybe too fluffy. Maybelline offered gently. Yvette poked a pancake with her paintbrush. They're like clouds. Great for floating, not for building. Jane pointed to a squirrel stealing a splat of syrup. Even the animals think it's a mess. The friends groaned. The contest clock ticked. Only 1 hour left. All right, Maybelline said, standing tall. Let's switch from panic mode to puzzle mode. We can still win this if we get creative. She flipped open her notebook and wrote, the pancake problem plan 1. Identify the problem. 2. Brainstorm ideas, any idea, even silly ones. 3. Combine the best ideas. 4. Test and build. 5. Have fun while doing it. Problem, she asked. Our pancakes are too soft and fluffy to stack, said Jasper. They're delicious but not dependable, added Yvette. Exactly, Maybelline nodded. Now, let's think of every wacky, weird, wild idea we can. No judging. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.